We are in Warmer, so it's 15 minutes from Amsterdam, and that's where my studio is. So let's take a look inside. Now you are viewing the River Zan in front of my studio, and I'm going to explain the XXL universe painting. This is one of the finished big painting that I created. It is around 4 meters. Actually, you see the expansion of the Big Bang Theory, explosion of it, of the universe. So this is where the whole reaction that comes out, and then this is the whole kind of thing. But before that, actually, before the whole thing is starting there, what is there? That is, I'm also myself curious about it. Like, was there a God, or who created it, or like what we Buddhism says, it exists in there yourself, the I, purely enlightened soul or energy, whether you give it more identity, and then you lose the pure enlightened soul or memory. So in Buddhism, we don't have the creator, and in other religion, like here I have the Fatima's hand, so that's more like Islamic concepts. I try to put all the different religion, so that is there something like creator or whatever, everything is in this painting. So this is like, I wrote here, ground zero. So it's like from here we start, And at the same time, you will also see this, like in the, I'm combining here with Tibetan situation also. So this is Alexander David-Neil. She came in before 1959, like in the 30s, to Tibet. And we also, 13th Dalai Lama is here. So, and then the black hole is burst. Also in this painting, there's a lot of collage here. That's what we study, like in the Western art. Collage, different mediums. So 1959, when this whole explosion is there, and then Tibetans are escaping, like in exile, surviving. Like these are like the cave arts, That's also some kind of uniform again, the male and the female. So there are a lot to see in this painting actually. So also this is a symbol here, symbol of unity. In fact, we call it pata in Tibetan. A lot is used, this one actually. We have to talk a lot about Tibetan Buddhism because that's the one that is the culture of Tibet is completely based on Buddhism, so we can't escape it. So here, Tibetans are rich now, so it's time that we have to work on our country. We are no more poor, we are not struggling. I mean, the Tibetans in exile. Tens of thousands of Tibetans are in the West and America. They're already bored, don't know what to do. They are rich, everything. Some have even islands, I heard. So here, now the issue is like, we're already into the stage that our kids are already being manipulated by the world, the luxury world. And a lot are coming in, like they don't care about Tibet, our country, our origin. Like this says, it's all about me. It's the future seeds of Tibet. Tibetans Tibetan kids in the West. They are supposed to be the ambassador of Tibet. But at the same time, we have a lot of the newcomers, new young Tibetans who are coming in, who are growing in the West, who only speaks the native language, American, English, Australian, European. So you see, and they didn't experience, I mean, I didn't even experience my country, how we suffered. We are only told by our parents who have faced their suffering. And we could only feel indirectly from there. And how I'm gonna tell our youngsters, look, this is like more depends upon how we explain it. So you see, there's losing some circuit there. So the young ones, the ones who are into iPad, they only care about the iPad, not even their parents. So forget about their country or whatever. Here I call E is equal to mc square. I make it like the E is Tibet itself. The energy is the Tibet, the shell of the Tibetans. So if you want this joy or happiness or the Tibet country itself, so it depends upon the Tibetans. If they move double their mass, their size, so then it's like every individual has to work like 200%. If I want to live as an artist, I have to work very hard, 200%. Then I can survive and I can live as an artist. If I don't do that, if I do occasionally painting and so, I will fail. So that's very logic. So this is very important for the Tibetans to know follow this concept like E is equal to mc square. Tibetans, if we want our country back, we have to do 200% work, then we can gain our country back. So you see, this is like theory from Einstein, and that works perfectly for any choice in life, any concept or everything that you want to win in your life. That's how we have to work. Thanks for watching, my colleagues and future generation of Tibet. And maybe we can make together big change. And I hope this explanation finds some good merits for my people, my land, and hope we could all continue to communicate this way with the world. Thank you very much.